there, little explorers. Have you ever watched ducks swim and thought, how do they stay dry even when they're in the water all day? I wonder why. Let's find out together. Ducks have a superpower. They don't get wet because of their feathers. But wait, it's not just the feathers, it's what's on their feathers. Ducks have something called preen oil. They rub this special oil from a little gland near their tail all over their feathers. It's like their very own raincoat. Cool, huh? When they spread the oil, it makes their feathers waterproof. So instead of getting soggy, the water just rolls right off like this. Plop, plop, plop. And if you see a duck shaking its tail or using its beak on its feathers, that's it putting on its magical oil coat. Quacktastic, right? So next time you see a duck floating around, you'll know their secret. Ducks stay dry because of their special preen oil. Isn't nature amazing? Join our learning club. Subscribe now and let's dive into fun and exciting lessons together.